Today we're going to show you how to make sure you're using the correct carrier routes for your every door direct mail. Hi, I'm Blaise Shabatone from Naples Print Source, and we get this question all the time from bulk mailers. They don't have a sense of confidence that they're using the correct routes. If you want to see how to find those routes, check out our earlier screencast where we show you how to do that. We're taking the routes that we found there and we're going to plug them in here. So we go to USPS.com, and then we're going to hover over business, and we're going to click right here where it says every door direct mail, and that's going to bring us right to the every door direct mail portal. Now, the neighborhood that we were looking at was called Verona Walk, and it's in zip code 34114. So we simply type that in and hit enter, or you can hit that little search icon over here. It takes a second. You can see in this case, it doesn't bring up a very helpful map. It's not a very good view. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the routes in that we found in the earlier screencast, and we're going to see what that looks like, and then we can zoom in. So we identified 3 routes from our research earlier, and that was route number 152, route number 157, and route number 159. You can see it keeps a running total up here when you add or remove a different route, which is quite useful, and it tells you the total number of routes. Now, most folks just want to send their every door direct mail to residential addresses, so we can show you how to turn that feature on. If you look at the total now, it's 1686. It probably won't change a whole lot, but if we click right here, residential, see it just drops down a bit, and now we're just focused on the residential addresses. Now, how do we go back to the map? It's a little counterintuitive. You really have to scroll way down here to the very bottom. In fact, I've got to move my mouse outside over here, and we hit this hide table button. Right now you can see way down here in the map we've got this blue area that shows the routes that we've clicked. So to make that bigger, we're just going to dial the mouse up here, and then to move it over we hold the mouse down and grab it, right, and it lets us slide the map. We're going to try to center it on our map. We're going to move that up again. See how it's getting larger? We're going to do this again and center it, and then I'm going to zoom in one more time here. Whoa, that's too much. We zoom back, and here we are. So we've got our 3 routes, and when you hover over them, it'll tell you which is which on the side. That is route number 157, and then this is route number 152, and it looks like this is 159. Now you'll notice, let's zoom in just one more time if we can fit this on here. You'll notice there's some streets that aren't highlighted here. So it looks like in our preliminary research, we may have missed a single route. And look, before you click it, when you hover over it, it turns purple. And now we also see that route 155 is included as part of this neighborhood too. So if we click that, we have a true total of all of the houses in this particular neighborhood. And again, we selected up here just the residential only option. This is how you confirm that you have the right routes. First, you research it on Google, and then you put in the ones that you find, and then sometimes you'll see some very small routes like this, which only has 136 addresses that you may have missed in your preliminary search. But this gives you peace of mind and lets you know that you found the correct routes. Not all neighborhoods, unfortunately, work out this clean. Some are combined into one route, and that can be complicated, but some are like this and relatively clean once you figure out all the routes. I hope you found this helpful. This is a great shortcut for you to make sure you have the right routes. And best of luck to you. Please reach out to us at Naples Print Source if you think that we might ever be able to help you out with this. Good luck.